Are you in search of the sturdiest and most attractive stand for your South Bend lathe, or in need of a Super Duty base for your workbench? Then look no further. These South Bend cast iron legs make the perfect platform and centerpiece to define your workstation. Designed with ornate flowing lines reminiscent of the 1900s wrought iron architectural adornments, they look luxurious and they provide simple, pure functionality. Strong, stable, and with considerable mass at 214 pounds a pair, these solid cast iron legs have the bulk to dampen vibration for precision machine operations. Simply add your own bench top and bottom shelf to complete your own custom-made workbench. The options here are endless. Each leg measures 22.5 inches wide by 36.5 inches tall and 1.5 inches thick and weighs over 100 pounds. The length of your bench will be determined by your needs and dependent upon the strength of the material used. When paired with your timeless machinery, it is sure to be the envy of anyone who sees it. The South Bend Lathe logo is also proudly displayed on a thick brass nameplate on each leg as a reminder that these solid cast iron legs will stand up to a lifetime of dependable service and last for generations to come. Check out the specs and order yours today at grizzly.com.